life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but
Hey there guys, welcome to Nigeria, my country, where typically your savings is just another money you end up spending on feeding. In other words, you can barely save with the salary you're paid. Welcome to another episode in my life as a progressing trader. Today I'll be sharing with you how some days can be for me at work. So please do well to stick around to the end and I hope you enjoy it.
I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
So this is the second light I was changing for the day, only for me to be baited with sawdust from the ceiling.
Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sunday.
Of course, I need to be careful. Electricity ain't your friend though.
How to get there? That's what you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done.
And of course, I need to turn off the light. You know, safety first. If anything goes wrong, work continues. That is one slogan you need to get in your head when you have a job, right? If you don't know anything other thing, just know this: work continues. And yes, just like a piece of cake, I was done with this one too. And I say, let it be light, and there was light. Yeah, that's me. Well done, bro. So actually, I was supposed to be supervising a TV repairer who came around to fix some faulty televisions in some apartments. But then I discovered the faulty lights, and I decided to fix them first before I go ahead and be with him. Already making progress with the repairs. So there are 4 of these that went bad. You know, the television still works, but the backlights just stopped working. Alright. So you can hear sounds, but you won't be able to see pictures unless you go very close before you realize that, yeah, the pictures are still showing as well, but there's no light to illumine the whole thing. And here I am relaxing while he goes on with the repairs. Well, come to think of it, money really fits me. It will really be good on me. I can say, yeah, we pray so, and that is what we're grinding for. So he's done with 1 television and we have like 3 more to go, I guess. Yeah. So you can as well come over to, to book an apartment with us here. Please, I am not being paid to promote this, since I work here, come on. And I'm making this video right here. I can as well just take this time to tell you guys about this apartment. It's very affordable. Just come around if you're in Lagos with your family, or you're here for vacation, just come around. So we're informed that someone was coming into the apartment, and then we had to move over to another apartment. And yes, this is the very most important part. Before the Son of Man faints from hunger, I had to quickly run down to prepare myself a meal. And just so you know, there is an urban material that is available and affordable. Come on, take a look at this. And mind you, this one is more than 1,000 yards like you normally hear, alright? This one can cook, this one can build electric cooker. This one can fix lights. Come on, name it. And currently is even learning trading. This is way more than 1000 yards material. This is the only stock we have. An offer is valid while stock lasts. Come on, you can't afford to miss this opportunity. Urban material that can cook, that knows electrical stuff, that knows carpentry, that can build electric cooker. It can even press computer safe. Come on, take a look. It can even clean. Please, the price is going up triple after this offer expires. So what are you waiting for? And just so you know, this is also not a paid promotion. I'm just being kind enough to, help this urban material sell himself. You know what I mean? So the first stage is done, and now the cooking has started. Now let's go and see how far it's gone with the repairs. Let's go. So this is the second television it's still working on. Well, I'll just have to sit and watch TV while he does his thing. Look at me watching soccer. I'm not a fan of soccer, although I kind of get entertained whenever I watch it, but I don't really put much effort to do so. And here I am forgetting that I actually have something cooking upstairs. When I left there, I was just jumping stairs like a monkey to quickly go and check up on what I was cooking. And thankfully, it didn't get burnt. Oh, jeez. Like, what would Son of Man have done? In this hard time? How can you burn food in this hard time? Like, if you're cooking right now, jeez, give yourself thumbs up. It's not easy. And then you cook and be burning food. Come on. And I'm back, but also with my laptop. I just decided to see if I could do one or two things because it's been hours now and I've been trying to figure out a way to open my laptop and if it's just look at the chat for a minute, but I couldn't. This is taking too long. I had to just bring down my laptop and try to do one or two things before it finishes. Oh my goodness, does this man want to blind me? Man, that light is damn bright. That's the backlight actually. The light that illumines the TV.
So now to just hang out for inside house, I'll be for ceiling. This one. You just hang out for ceiling. You don't need light.
So, listen to some free words of advice for those of you who use television at home so that you don't have this kind of issues happen to yours.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You go sleep on me one day. But then, so you go up to, I can get people the days of fast, they do slow. Maybe. Unless, I don't offer money. You do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday is the spoil.
So the bottom line of what he's trying to say here is that when you want to turn off your TV, it's best to do that from the power source, that is your wall socket, rather than using your remote to put it on standby mode, right? Because when it's on standby mode, it's still on somehow. So take heed and do as advised. And finally, we're done. This is currently some minutes past 4, and we've been on this television since 10 a.m. in the morning. So thank you for coming all the way with me to this very hour of the day. I just have to end this video here, and please subscribe to my channel, share this video, like, and please trade safely if you're a trader, right? That's very, very important. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. And here is Ekene Matthew signing out. Peace.